Okay, so we have here another part of our discussion on the state of the plane stresses. So a bar is subjected or an actual force P, that is the unknown. I think it's unknown. The plane stresses in the bar. Okay, this is the bar, in the bar, the bus. That is a typographical error. The plane stress in the bar is represented by the Mohr circle. So, given tayo ng Mohr circle, mas madali talaga pag may Mohr circle. Okay. So, dito pala yung, yung FP, kung gagawin daw yung P is 130 kilonewton, compute the cross-sectional area in centimeter squared of the bar, Of the bar. So, given tayo ng ating value or ng ating choices. Okay, so for number 2, compute the normal stress in megapascal at the plane inclined 25 degree with the horizontal. So, given tayo ng mga choices. At saka, compute the shearing stress in megapascal at the plane inclined 25 degree with the horizontal. Okay? Okay, so let's go to our computation or how to solve this kind of problem. So, dito, mas madali kasi given tayo ng Mohr circle. Kaya lang, how will we deal it with, nasa, yung, yung stress diagram. Paano natin siya gagawin into stress diagram? Okay? So, solve muna natin. What is the stress? We have the force over area. Okay, so, ang natin dito, we have 100. Kasi kung gagamitin natin na 100, that is the stress over here. Okay? Yun yung kasi yung pinaka-maximum niya. Ito yung maximum. Ito yung pinaka-malaki yung normal stress. Dito tayo gagamit. So, that is 100. And then, the force P is 130,000 in terms of Newton. Parang lumabas tayo dito na ang magiging unit natin is 1 mm. Yung area natin, that is 1,300. So, meron tayong choices. Nandito sa choices. Okay? 1,300. Kaya lang, isang sinasabi dito sa, sa problem, that is in centimeter squared dapat. So, yung unit natin dito, that is in mm squared or millimeter squared. So, pag sinagot mo kaagad ito, pag sinagot mo kaagad siya, na-scout na niya. So sorry. Huwag mo kasing sasagutin kaagad. Kasi, medyo alam mo na. So, area. What is the area? Convert natin into this value, 1,300 into centimeter squared. We have 13 centimeter squared. So, dito tayo sasagot sa 13. Okay? Kasi yan yung ating hinahanap, centimeter squared. Okay, so at least may natutunan kayo, no? Huwag nyo sasagutin agad. Okay, for number 2, compute the normal stress in megapascal at the incline. So, ganito naman yung mangyayari dyan. Ganito tayo ng kanyang stress diagram. Okay? Nagkaroon siya ng information. So, that is 100. 100, Kinumpute natin dito. 100. Wala tayong shearing stress dyan. Okay, yung naman natin dito sa Y, the normal stress is 0. Wala, 0 dito, di ba? 0. 0 yung ating normal stress dyan. At saka yung shearing stress natin is 0 din. So, ibig sabihin, ganito yung mangyayari sa kanya. 0, 0. Okay. However, for this inclination, 25 AE. Itong plane AE natin, we have 25 degrees. Yung 25 degrees na yan, asa yung ito? Okay. With the horizontal, With the horizontal. Ganito yun. With the horizontal. Okay. 25 degrees with the horizontal. Okay. So, ganito naman siya. Okay. From X, iikot ng 25. So, kaya lang, that is according to, sabi natin sa Mohr circle, magiging 2 theta yan, di ba? Madodouble. So, ibig sabihin, that is 15. From X, clockwise, counterclockwise. Iikot siya, di ba? Iikot siya counterclockwise kasi 25 degree papuntang Y. Counterclockwise yung ikot niya. Kaya lang, pagdating sa Mohr circle, that is 2 theta. Ay, huwag mo ba? Yan, 2 theta. Oops, yun. Diba? Mag-move siya ng 2 theta. That is 50. Yun. From point X, ito kasi yung point X mo, papunta doon. That is 50. Pero hindi pa doon. Doon tayo sa kabila. Yan. Doon tayo mag-meet. Ano? Dapat in-next mo agad. Andito ako sa kabila. Kaway-kaway ka. Charot. So, dito tayo mag-focus sa point na yan. That is the plane A. Ito na yung plane A natin. Okay, so this would be your normal stress. Ito na yung tinatanong natin. That's the normal stress na. Tapos dito naman yung ating shearing stress at that inclination na 25. Okay, so focus natin sa triangle. Yung triangle natin dito, mag-solve natin. This would be 50 also, no? Actually, kung kaya mo naman na hindi na mag-based into angle, okay, mas maganda kung kaya mo, kung alam mo. Diba? Kasi actually, yung ano naman natin dito is madali lang. Kasi kung 100 yan, yung ating radius is, mangyayari, this would be 50. O, wala pa din tayo, kailangan pa din natin yung angle. Kasi magiging radius natin is 50. Ito. So, kailangan pa din natin yung angle niya. That is cosine 50 dito sa taas from this. Ito lang. Tapos ito naman, this would be 50 sine 50. Okay? So, the value of our shearing stress is 38. Ito, 38.3. Para naman dito, we have ganito yung mangyayari. Ito, this is 50. From point here up to the center, that is 50. Minus nito. Minus. Kasi ito lang yung natin, yung hinahanap. Ito lang. Yung distance natin from this point up to this is 50 minus nitong 50 cosine 50. Okay, that is 17.86 or 17.9. So, dito round up tayo. Wala. Okay lang yan. No problem. Okay, I hope na medyo nagigets nyo na itong natin. Next video natin is stay tuned and subscribe para paano naman yung may mga stresses naman, may mga yung parang ganito na. Lalagyan na natin dito ng additional kung may mga ganito. Okay, yung may ganito na siya. So, yun ang ating susunod na sa ating mga video. Okay? So, lang kayo dito mag-subscribe. May matututunan din kayo dito. Kahit ganito lang tayo. Char. So, okay? So, have a nice day.